Royal Icing Color Trends for Fall Cookies 2021. Hi everyone and welcome to the Cookie Couture. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the trends in colors for decorated cookies for fall and Halloween cookies. So I'm super excited to share them with you and let's get started. And I think so that these food gel colors are perfect for this 2021 Halloween trend of very soft and pastel colors. As you know, I always like to use very bright colors on my cookies, but I'm gonna give it a try to this trend. And for this, I am going to use colors that I normally don't use, like this watermelon, eggplant, gold, obviously I use it a lot, wedgewood, and it's a very nice blue, moss, and you can also use avocado or a mix of them. I am going to use coral red, orange. I am going to use peach. I know this is very old, but still has some. Very good. For these soft colors, you just need to add a little bit of the food gel color to your icing, very little, and from there you are going to see if that's the shade that you're looking for. As you know, these food gel colors are very concentrated, and with a little bit you can tint your icing very easily. And I would like a little more. This is the watermelon. As you can see, it looks like a watermelon candy. And obviously you can add more of the food gel color and you will have a darker shade. But I'm going to add it to this tiny pumpkin. This is the lighter and the darker shade of watermelon food gel color. This is the peach color. It looks super soft and sweet. This is the wedgewood color. I'm going to put a little bit of eggplant. I covered this cookie with that shade of eggplant and I'm going to add a little bit more. Now it's time for the moss. Oh, I love this shade of green. So cute. This color is perfect for monster cookies. Now I am going to do the gold. I'm running out of containers. And this is the sweet pink that you can get using a little bit of coral. And this is the darker shade of the coral red. As you can see, these colors are super trendy for this coming Halloween, and I am pretty sure that if you decorate your cookies using these colors, they are going to be a hit. Okay guys, this is it for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, push the notification button, follow me on my social media, and never forget to be super creative and love your baking, and particularly in your cookie decorating.